Do you want to know how you can see your subscription list on your OnlyFans? Then this video is the right one for you. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Quick Guide, and today I'll be here with another new video to show you guys on how you can see or access your subscription list on your OnlyFans account. To do so, first of all, just go onto your Google Chrome browser or any browser that you used and search for onlyfans.com and then log into your OnlyFans account. After that, you'll be on the home page of OnlyFans. And on the homepage side, you can see many options like notification messages, collection, and also subscription. Click on subscription and you can see you're following the people who you follow and fans who follow you. As this is a new account, you can see all are 0 right now, but if you have an ongoing account, all the followers and all the following people that you follow will be here on your fans and following. And that's how you can access your following list on your OnlyFans account. So I hope you guys find our video helpful. This was for this video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.